Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college Bahatam nagabanta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingpuli ka jingsiyo ka barik, but pila ban lagu ban puli da ka education loan, pila ruban syukola ho number, kandai nyo, saw, san riu pranot, lani, kandai pran riu laisan, arn riwe, kandai pra.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikil kuit bah benar kam daka Oswell su kila banyo na barok kidukan
ka Sorkar Jylla lengba katana disaster management kala Siew ya ka Bailutksan kumshi benta ban yarap ya kilong yeng kiba mat ya jingja basngusi kamtam ya gitu kilong yeng kibala ja ka jingsha Pyrthat hagini gisngi bala letno haga jingkren bat kilat patai kubor haga laipo tarik ujliu arajar arpulai hadien balawai ka jingyalang perkhat kam uba kermenshla uba pek ya katana disaster management ulayatu uba ka jingsiu Bailutksan kalong ru wat syakimrat gibalayap na ka jingsha Pyrthat ulayatu ru ba ka Sorkar kala shimrai ban penher daki drone ban tokit ya ki jaka ki basyakta na ka jingshli hagi benta ba pher jong Jylla.
We just had a review meeting of the departments, revenue and disaster management department. So we had a lot of discussion, and today we had the officers had highlighted me regarding with the review which was taken recently by the Chief Minister, and we have a few points to share today. What is the steps to be taken by the departments, and then what has been done. So I'll go first with this. First I would like to share with the people of our states that recently we have taken this decision, and then the notification has come out on the 22nd of July 2000. This was 2015. So this is most of the time we don't know that whether this lightning strike is included or not for the compensation when it comes to especially lightning strike. So now I would like to share to our friends that this has been declared as a local disaster. So as per the norms provided by the central government, and we follow almost the same, it's the same only. So we pay the compensation for those people who lost their life in lightning strike, and even for animal strike, lightning strike, even that also means covered in this local disaster. And one more thing I would like to share that we have discussed today that even the drowning and human-animal conflict also will be included soon. So for this, we will put a proposal from the department, and then we believe that it will come to the cabinet so for approval. So this will be, we'll put it in our proposal. And the compensation, I believe that most of the time we used to share and people came to know about it. So this thing I will not touch it because it's a huge list here. And regarding with those loss of life, a few days back, since the 1st of June till 28th, we have a number of life loss. So for this, we have the data of 12 numbers. So as per this 12, so as of now, a few of them they have received the compensation, and some has not, because we have to comply as per the norms whether they are eligible or not. So here, because there are few who made an accident, because the accident has not included in the norm doesn't allow us. So based on this, I cannot say exactly whether we can do something for them, but if the norms allow, so we will find out how can we help, and then we will pay the compensation. So and then many things has happened recently, and that's why the Chief Minister, he took the review meeting, and then he took some decision also, which I would like to share with our friends today. Regarding with this, the decision which made by, the meeting last time with the Chief Minister, the departments and the Chief Minister, they have they discuss, and then they go ahead to take up with this to explore using the drone for vulnerability assessment and tracking and assessment of from state GIS and UAV center. And second is that medium and long-term solution at Sunapardi tunnel by the NHI. And the third is that procurement of various equipment including boats, because we have a huge, every year we used to have this flood in our state. And then to coordinate with NESAC for early warning alert system for cyclones, landslide, flood and lightning. This was the decision taken by the Chief Minister and the departments on that meeting which they had recently. And I would like to share also, recently we have released a fund to the district level, all the deputy commissioner. In East Khasi Hills, we released 78,37,500, and then West Khasi Hills 63,37,500. Southwest Khasi Hills we released 58,37,500. Eastern West Khasi Hills 54,37,500. Ribhoi district 54,37,500. West Jandy Hills 54,37,500. East Jandy Hills 54,37,500. West Garo Hills 58,37,500. East Garo Hills 59,37,500. South Garo Hills 59,37,500. Southwest Garo Hills 58,37,500, and North Garo Hills 54,37,500. This money is meant for the expressia and then this relief, which because what happened most of the time in our state, there are delay of payment for this compensation. That's why we take the steps and then give this money to the district level so that they can pay as per the norms. They can pay in advance to those people and then send the paperwork to the state for final verification. And then this is a thing, the steps has been taken. And then yes, I would like to share, because most of the time our friends would like to know that from where exactly this money came, and then what is exactly has been spent, and then how much money do we have. So I will just touch this 15 Finance Commission breakup. So the breakup for 2021-22, the money is 58 crore 40 lakhs, and then that is 90-10 share. So total is 58 crore 40 lakhs. 2022-23 is 60 crore 80 lakh. 23-24 64 crore 80 lakhs, and then 24-25 67 crore 20 lakh, and then 25-26 is 71 crore 20 lakh. This is the money has been given by the 15 Finance Commission, including the 10% of state share. And we have also here for State Disaster Mitigation Fund. This also from the 15 Finance and the state share, then 10%. It's 10%, money. Yeah. So here we have 15 crore for 21-22, and then 22-23 we have 15 crore 20 lakh. 23-24 we have 16 crore 20 lakh. 24-25 we have 16 crore 80 lakh. And then 25-26 we have 17 crore 80 lakh. This is the money available with us, and then as per the norms we can spend this money for compensation or maybe any kind of relief within our state. And then one more I would like to touch regarding this trees, which was raised many times by our friends from the media and then the local people, mentioning that why don't you take any steps in chopping these trees, which is might cause a disaster or might cause any calamities within our state, especially in Shillong. So we discussed today with our officers, so we will take steps that how to go about it, especially with the forest department or maybe other department when it comes to drainage, and then any kind of insecurity might within our state, within our state itself. So for this we will try to talk to the line department and then take steps ahead and then discuss what is the best we can do.